A broken glove box latch is one of those small problems that can quickly become an everyday annoyance. This exact fit glove box latch replacement is designed to restore proper function with minimal effort, helping your vehicle's interior feel complete and functional again without an expensive repair visit. Engineered to match the dimensions of the original equipment latch, this part installs cleanly and aligns correctly, allowing your glove box to open and close the way it should. There is no need for modification or guesswork, making it an ideal solution when the factory latch has cracked, worn out, or stopped holding securely. Once installed, the glove box closes firmly and stays shut, even while driving over bumps or uneven roads. Durability is a key focus of this replacement latch. It is manufactured using quality materials selected for long-term reliability, ensuring dependable service through daily use. Before being offered, the part undergoes extensive quality testing to confirm proper fit, consistent operation, and resistance to premature wear. This attention to detail helps provide confidence that the repair will last. This latch is also a cost-effective alternative to dealer replacements. It delivers original equipment function at a more accessible price, making it a smart choice for drivers who want a practical fix without overspending. Installation is straightforward and typically requires only basic tools, allowing many vehicle owners to complete the repair themselves in just a short amount of time. To ensure compatibility, it is important to confirm fitment by entering your vehicle's make, model, and trim level into the garage or fitment tool before purchasing. This simple step helps guarantee the part matches your exact application and avoids unnecessary returns. Many users appreciate how easy this repair is, noting that a simple screwdriver is often all that is needed to replace the latch and restore full function. If your glove box no longer stays closed or feels loose, this replacement latch offers a simple, reliable way to fix the problem and regain everyday convenience. Check the link in the video description to confirm compatibility with your vehicle and see current pricing. Subscribe to the channel to discover more easy, budget-friendly automotive fixes that help you maintain and improve your car with confidence.